grass, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.